Good morning, children. Welcome to my class. So, today we are going to learn the story of the hidden treasure. Okay, and it is the story of a farmer and his children. Okay, so let us begin. Long ago in Russia, there lived a man who worked extremely hard. He took care of his home and garden. He planted crops in his field, and when the crops were ready, he harvested them. The man worked diligently all day and sometimes into night, worked very hard. He had 3 sons. They were tall and strong, but they were lazy. They refused to work. They preferred to let their father provide for them. As time went by, the man became tired and weak. He couldn't work as he did before. His sons had grown into young men, but they were still lazy. They wouldn't help their father. With no one taking care of the fields, the crops began to die. Large weeds grew up in the garden, and the house fell into despair. Ruin. No work, the house will or the family will go down into poverty. That is the meaning, it is ruin, or we can say despair. The man became weaker until finally he knew he was going to die. His sons were very upset. Not only would they miss their father, but also there would be no one to take care of them. Just before he died, the man told his sons a secret. Let us hear what is the secret here. He said that long ago he had buried a pot of gold in the yard, in the field. The sons thought if they found the gold, they would be rich. Each son took a shovel and began digging in the yard. They dug all day without stopping, but they didn't find the gold. They dug up all the weeds and the dead crops. In the field, still they found only mud. The oldest brother looked at the mud and suggested they plant some vines. So the 3 brothers planted grapevines. Soon they had a whole vineyard of ripe grapes. When the grapes were ready, the sons harvested them and sold them for money. The oldest brother smiled and said, "I think we have found our father's secret treasure." So, in this story, we see that the farmer was not able to teach them how to work or how to become a hard worker to his sons. But before dying, he was able to teach them how to be a hard worker. not to be a lazy in life. The moral of the story is hard work is the key of gold mine. Okay, thank you for listening.